Hello guys, it is me. So, today, we're going to play some more Hollow Knight. It was a long time ago, but it's because I got stuck and I don't know really what to do, so I'm going to keep on exploring. I saw somebody play this and I think I have some tips on what to do. One area I know what to do at least. I think I saw somebody do some parkour. How do I interact? Hello? Hello, hello?
Papa nada.
Benjamin. Item purchased. Okay. I know where I want to go. I know it. Dirtmoth. That means that we're right here. And we want to go. We want to find our way to here. So. I don't remember if I've been down here. No, I don't. I have not been down here. Wait! This is what we needed. I saw this. I looked at somebody play this game and he was here, so I think we need to kill enemies here. Damn. Use some dark magic. Okay, well I died. Let's check our map. So now we know where to go, at least. How do I remove markers? Anybody know? Anybody? There. Wait, we got 6 now. Guess we bought 6 markers. Now, at least, guys, we figured out what to do, and now we don't have to spend at least the entire length of the last video, depending on finding it. So time to just... broke my knees. Fall damage doesn't exist. My friend has the kneecaps. He has the knee. He has the good leg. Shh. Okay. I just looked straight at my recording slowly, like, are you kidding me? Okay. At least now we know where to go. Okay, time to just kill, commit something illegal, and time to do the... No. Oh. I didn't know I didn't have to, like, try maneuvering when I... Please wouldn't die. Okay, time to, you know... Damn. Wow. Yeah, baby! Let's go here. If I die, I'm going to be furious! Okay, there was supposed to be a fighting down here, I believe. No fighting, but a lot of coins. That's a lot of coins. 43 coins. Interesting. I do not want to have to do that again. Here we go. Full HP. Time to just bam, bam, boom, bam, 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 bam. Ooh. What am I supposed to do here? No, come on. Don't do it like that. Please don't be a fighting area. Bam. There is something here, I believe. Map updated. Thank God. Wait. Stagger. Just hope up on the Thank you, my good sir. Right, it's just the door. This is a mysterious door. Oh, this is not a mysterious door. At least, hello, my good sir. Would you like to go to the underground?
Oh, jittery.
Keep on exploring though, so I'm gonna go back to here.
Goro horu.
Goro, Goro, Goro. He sounds angry. Why does he always have to sound so angry? Why are you so angry, mister? G. Yeet. Whoop, whoop. Time to cheat us. Okay, I'm going to jump. Cream. Let me through. What is this? Perhaps somewhere I'm going to fight somebody. Right, I think I've fought this guy before. I've been here before, probably. Oh no, an extra fighter has joined him. Okay, at least it's not that far away. We can just run there. Jump, and jump, there, jump, there. I didn't know that you could just jump and stop wherever. Right. That I just found the easiest way to kill him. You don't even need to be good at the game to do this. Easy peasy. GG. Hack. I saw somebody do this. Why not do this part, but like, well, this is not for me. Respect. Okay. Wait. You know, he's just sleeping, guys. Don't worry, he's just sleeping. It's just he was tired of fighting, so he will be back. He will wake up and like, never. He's so tired, he's never gonna wake up again. But like, he's going to have fun. He's going to sleep, and he's gonna have nothing. Going to be, I don't know. I'm just gonna stop talking. We have to, you know, put some more people to sleep. This is probably not that many people. Kill. I can say kill, right? This isn't that like. This isn't like a game. Am I a YouTuber that is child friendly? Like, I guess a bit, but like, kill isn't that bad. Oh no! Oh no! Well. Your stick! Huh. Huh. Yes, bonk, bonk. Huh. Bonk. Oh no, we need to make our way. Wait, guys, one thing about me, if I seem like I forget stuff, it's because I have short-term memory loss, making it kind of impossible to remember where I'm supposed to go. Bam, bam, bonk, I just need to wait my way over there for it to be, or else I might as well die. Stop. What is it? That, like, having the soul thingy disappear. What does that even do? And time to use do a little. Okay. Right, I'm gonna use a muscle buff here and jump off him. Kinda worked. Okay. What's this? It? No. It's just a guy with a pokey stick. Ah! Bam, 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 bam. I need to kill all the enemies here because I'm not surviving with this low HP. If I didn't survive with full. Now I'm playing Mario. Now I have only 3 HP. I really need more abilities. Ominous music, really? Come on. I'm not getting scared. I'm not baby. I'm not baby weapons. Baby. Hop. Booties. Pop. Stop. You're getting on my nerves. Now remember where to go.
Tiema, Malava. Malava.
I try doing a bit pacifist here. Gonna really help them. If anybody's wondering why I've not done Team Fortress 2 videos, I have not updated my old studios, making it kind of difficult. No! You don't! Stop hitting me! That is child abuse. Okay, I'm just gonna kill this guy because I need back my HP that he took from me. Bam! 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 What about, I'm just gonna... Thank you, my good sir. Now, how do I dash? I don't know how to. No. You dare not. No! You can't hit me! You can't hit my tiny little head! It's so fucking tiny! There we go. Damn it! Got me against the wall! Wait, did I get it? Ah! No! Oh. Right, guys. I don't think I'm powerful enough. I think I need more abilities. I'm not good enough at this game. So, guys, I'm just gonna... I said in the beginning of this series, like, the first time, well, you know, when I said that, I'm going to clip because I know you guys don't... At least last time no, I'm just gonna clip because I don't want this video to get too long. There we go. Got the soul. Got my soul and heart back. Time to just heal back. I'm not going into the boss fight yet, though. Let me just explore further bit around. Try get another power up. Or ability, I guess. That just doesn't work. Why can't I not do that? Maybe I just need to dash. Whoop! 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 Ah! Okay, you gotta hit him a bit. What? How does that work? That is where the moment I decide to leave. Ugh. Come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, time to go somewhere else. No. Cake was alive. What? Is that a statue? That is a statue. What is this? My god, it's a stamina statue, I guess. Soul statue, I guess. I think I... just destroy one of those in the tutorial. I still don't remember. This guy's at least a bit easier. Ah! Ah! Kaboom! He was like, come on, I have to flip over. There's a phase 2! There is the phase 2! There is a phase 2! Or whatever all of these are. Well, this just makes it need half enough HP. Oh, yes. Kill them without taking an HP. This is just easy. Is that bones? Those are bones. Ah, no! Why? Yeah, there should be a dash over here then, or something good. Ooh! Hello!
Oh, Kyle. Oh, whoopa.
Filet. Sleep. Okay, can I buy anything from you?
Det var lem, mas. Det var lem, mas.
Okay. Random cave. Am I gonna get insta killed? No, I didn't get insta shotted. Pow! What is this? Have we been in now? Oh. No, we haven't. I guess. That is... Ah! Bam! Bam! Don't touch me, pal. Ah! I told you not to touch me, pervert. Ah! Bam! Take all these, go into here. What is this? Is it museum? Oh no. It's gonna start becoming difficult. Bye. This is not a boss fight, is it? Bam. That was easy. He is scribbled up. Okay, bam. Easy peasy. I'm constantly healing because I'm kind of bad, so I have the time here. Is this where we were? Wait, we have been here. I've been here before. Wait, there's something here. That was just one of my friends that sent me that. By the way, guys, so I didn't do anything. Guess I can't go in here. Guys, I have a lot of cash now, so I think I should be able to go back up. If I die here, I'm gonna be kind of sad. Okay, come here, go up there, go up there, go here, go there, go there, and whoop, bam, bye. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, thank you. Okay, I'm going to distract him. And boom! No. Damn! Good job. Okay, we're gonna have to maneuver ourselves down here. I'm going back down here. Cream. Potato chip. I'm gonna go down here, there, there. Travel.
Voilà.
There's something there. Oh wait, it's Mr. Buggy. It's Bugman.
Devolem, mas.
Demoman. Mas! He sounds like Demomando. He's a Demoman.
Patmos, Gio.
Ooh. does this do? Don't. I'm gonna buy like this one. This one's kinda good, but there. Well, with our extra money.
Patmos, Jill.
I don't know what it does, but must do something. Here we go. Okay. Well, I'm going to. Here we go. He says, huh? What happened? Wait, I was gonna buy something here.
Bapanada.
Bopping over. I think that's what we're gonna grind up to. And I'm gonna make myself down there again, and I will see you guys then. Okay, there we go. I think we're gonna go fight one of those big, thick boys. We're gonna grind them. Am I in the correct space? We can make ourselves back to the other area. What was it that my ability does? Because I don't. Right, let's see. Okay, at least this thing makes it so it's easier. Because anything that I destroy now will come back to me. I think this might be a jump. This is not it. Jump. We're still back to the not the original area yet, though. Oh wait, that's good to have. Beg your pardon? Why are you not coming to my inventory directly? Come here. Damn it! You're kidding me! Come on, let me through! Ooh, another one. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, a piece of candy. understand what I'm supposed to do here. Just now there's something there. Okay, time to yes. I've been here before. Yeah, I've been here. Ugh. At least now I know what to do. Wait for him, and then. And we're going to. Whoa, a pow! Wow. Quick little reward from little old me with my little Cornish affection. Yeah, the disability of not having money in this game. Okay. Crab. Crab. That's what I said. That's what I was gonna say. Crab. If you don't believe me, crab. I don't know why I said it. I just like, I don't know. It makes me fly. Time for us to do some parkour. We should be able to buy the stuff now, so now we just need to speed run our way through. And bam, 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 bam. No, 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 no! NordVPN! It's not the sponsor of this video. NordVPN. But today we have a sponsor. Raid Shadow. No, we don't have a sponsor. You thought. Nah, you did. If you really thought it, comment that in the comments below. Because, you know, 4 subscribers isn't really gonna get you anywhere. Whoop. Bam. Bam. No, I'm not. No. Bam! You got Bean Boozled, and you got Dean Bean, Mr. Dean Bean. Speedrun. Come on, crabs, crab, crabbit, crabber, crabber, dirt, bird, dirt, bird, lurd. Come on here and bam, bam, bam. Let's just see how good this are. This
Bapanada.
Popping over. Buy it. Go! There we go, lads. There we go, laddie. Now we can do a thing called see stuff. Oh, see where we are. Where's the map? Tab. Now you know where to go.
Teachuru.
Ditchel. This guy, what should we call him? Wait, does he have a name?
Walava.
The last stag. What is a stag? In fact, I don't know what it is. Is it an animal in real life? Somebody that knows. Oh, please tell me. No, 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 no. That was a lot of no. Okay, we can look at the map. And in fact, look for the... Okay, we're supposed to go up here. No, thank you. Wap-a-pow! And a wap-pow! And a... Why, didn't I just heal for a couple of seconds ago? Wap-a-pow! And a wap-pow! Wap-pow! Okay, I'm supposed to go into here. Bam, 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 bam. I'm just gonna learn how to fight because these guys are actually good fighters and actually have sword. Sword and shield, Demo Knight Gaming. Yes. Welcome to Team Fortress 2. 9 men fighting each other to the death. They are paid contract assassin. Boston man. Actually, I'm not gonna say all the names because some of the names here, some of them. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Crabber. There should be something here. There. There is something there. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. And a bam, and a bam, 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 bam. Ba bam ba da 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 crabber babber. Oh no! Oh no! No! Please God, no! Okay, time to just bam and then dabber, skadabber, babber. Close, but not close enough. Why can't I not get anything happen good to me? This is the right way. Yes, this. No. I just forgot that was the area. Okay, I have to go down here. What am I doing? Wait, if I go back up there through that area, then over that pit, you guys can't see, but let me see here. Where is the place? Here, it's E. Here. Fight. Place marker. I mean, there. Have we been here, guys? I don't know. Well, I've sure not. Why? Let's see here. Sure have been over. Yeah, we have been over here, haven't we? G E. I haven't for this, but maybe I should start playing Minecraft. It was a long ago I played. I've never played. I do have some old ones that I played. I had never got to post them, but I don't feel like my young. I guess I have to run all the way back, guys. If you, I can't. I'm too tired. I'm not gonna start the recording and then edit. Dead end. That's what happened. The adrenaline starts kicking in. But also kind of blind rage type energy. So, bam, 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 bam. No! Don't touch me, coin! I don't allow it! No! Let's see. Where can I find somewhere to sit down, relax, drink coffee? I like coffee. This area. So, where am I? Let's see. If I keep on heading upward, I should keep on going. Bam, bam. Okay, we're at the very close here. Are we? Yeah, we're coming up close. Yeah, we're going right. We're going right to Krieger. And whoop-pow!
Na, Minobis.
I can't get a good screenshot and I'm good at it. I can't tell if he's supposed to resemble a beetle. Guys, if you look at him from like, if he was facing the camera's direction, he kind of looks like a beetle, not gonna lie. Or is that a broken part of his head and he was supposed to be held? That's my question. I can't tell if I was paused the entire time or that. Oh, I don't really care. There we go. Oh, guys, this was a great episode. So, yeah, this was a good episode, I guess. But I am going to be, well, see you guys in another video. Bye.